this time again, I hope it is that way, sir. कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं बोलना चाहता लेकिन but I think see you can't really I don't want to generalize on that. बहुत सारे फिल्म बनते हैं सर एक साल में. Not that every film is doing great. Couple of films do well, couple of films don't. That doesn't mean that we generalize and say it's dominating. I think there are good times for everything. And if Hindi film industry has not been doing great films and you do not have great people, how would you sustain for so many years? It is there. It's just a matter of like a Virat Kohli being out of form for a while. What, are you going to take off the records or what? Or just because somebody's scoring now, you say he's number one. No, it doesn't work that way. I think films, by the end of the day, it's all good happening. And there also, if you come, there are a lot of films that's not working. If you take Hollywood, again, there are about 10 to 15 films from English which releases here every year. But they make about 200 films, so what happened to the rest 185? Doesn't work that way. I mean, I don't think we should be generalizing. Every industry is standing by its potential.
We all try and give it our best. We all say that this is the best film that we've made, and we wanted to reach everyone. Sometimes it works, sometimes it does not work. So there's no formula to this. कि ये 100% चलेगी.
Well, I'm back. But no, I mean, I've had a great time working down south as well as working here. I just, like everyone's been saying, it's just a divide that's probably manipulated and created and, spoken a lot about. But it really isn't that, because when I'm there, I have a great time. When I'm here, I have a great time. I personally believe that it's the journey. I mean, films are the journey, and we don't really do the film for the end result. I mean, we'd love it if, that it's all in our favor, but it's also the amount of people you meet on the way, the friends you meet on the way, and I think that's most important. Yeah.
There was a lot of bonhomie at the back over there, I like it. Jani sir, about Kicha sir saying you only use the top half.
It came from being journalist. I'm especially talking about one person in particular, okay? And now he's not concentrating on writing, he's gone back to journalism. This guy here, Mushtaq Sheikh, he's a सामने phone लेके अबे हो गया तेरा जर्नलिस्ट का टाइम, राइटर बन गया है, लेके तू वहाँ पे एक और राइटर डायरेक्टर बैठे हैं, 100 करोड़ की हिट दे रहा आदमी यहाँ पर
200
अब वो भी कॉमेडी में, अब इसके बाद नो एंट्री में भी देगा.
Congratulations, Sudeep. Sudeep is a very, very dear friend. And I have known him since his first Hindi film. I have had the privilege of working with him and seeing him work closely. He is someone that I'm extremely fond of, and I have played cricket with him, against him. He's a thorough gentleman and a very, very nice guy, and I'm so happy to see that he's stretching the cinematic boundaries with the choices that he's making as an actor, as a producer, and I'm absolutely thrilled. I couldn't be more happy to just see his success, to see him grow. And thank you so much for this wonderful, wonderful teaser. I'm so glad that Salman Bhau is presenting something as fascinating and amazing as this. And Jacqueline, many congratulations. And to the entire team of VR, thank you so much.
Sir, here you took 3 minutes. Normally you take 15 seconds. That's perfect. A little bit different here. But Kicha sir, everyone has met you in the last week, 10 days a lot. How's the response been? We've been talking about it. This is fantastic. And hats off to you also. Swag is equal to Kicha Sudeepa. We all know this. But now that you come out, is there any nerves? Thursday, just a few days to go. Now all the hard work is done now?
I wasn't till I saw him now. Suddenly that escape is hitting me. So I think I'm overwhelmed, first of all, with all the responses that I'm getting. I think I'll start with the fact that the brother he is to us, many of us, and with SKF coming in, it's like an elephant strength walking into the film. And I guess whenever we try to stretch our boundaries, we all need that little support, one strength, one hand that can hold us and just tell us, don't worry, I'm around. He's done that for me, and thank you, sir, for that. And as for the press is concerned, I think everybody has been very kind with their words, with their questions. And the fact that there is so much of hype and the expectation, I can feel it when I come here with the response I'm getting for the trailer. That is the best part. Otherwise, many times we do cut a trailer, which is good. Many times we do make films, which is good, but then we are not able to reach out. So it has been able to reach out because of the potential it has, and for the SKF coming in with everybody's love towards it. Like I have, as Ritesh and Jen said, that we have wonderful friends here who've been very supportive to me every time I come here. So yeah, it's a great feeling right now.
Congratulations in advance, sir. But like he said, sir, you are the rock that, you know, that supports a lot of people, sir. It happens a lot. How do you, are you keeping, you know, when you sign films, sometimes you'll say, maybe I shouldn't only do it with friends. You know, sometimes later on it might backfire. But as the support goes, you know, you're always there. So what's the secret? Does everyone just come to the house and say, sir, we need some help? And you say, yes, that's it.
Absolutely wrong.
Then how does it work, sir?
Done films only with friends and family.
But it's all worked anyway. It works very well. How did this association happen? You've known him for so long. It's amazing.
He's done Big Boss. I've done Big Boss. He's done, what is that? Kucha. I've done Tere Naam. So we have a very long history, long connect. Like he's played opposite him. I was one of the owners. I mean, Suhar was one of the owners of the team in CCL that they always beat us.
He's a better cricketer. That's the only thing as of now we can say with
Very
certainty.
competitive. Our guys were just there to have fun. And that
We beat him in CCL. He took me in Dabang and beat the hell out of me.
yeah, and then we have Dabang as well. And I've seen his work. He's fantastic. So when this came to me, it's just not that I'm going to go and help family and friends. Only if they can help me with an outstanding product, a film, only then will I lend my support or be a part of it. And they think that I'm supporting them wrong. They are supporting me with great films.
It looks fantastic. Sometimes when you make this beautiful make-believe world, it doesn't look real. It doesn't look, you know, the scale. You know, we
I
keep
know
talking
we've
about
been
scale.
seeing a lot of that recently.
This has worked, but in that case. So I would like to talk to you about that. When you saw this first time around, you know, you got that bit, yeah, अच्छा लगा. What's the big verdict on your side? This one's in the right zone. This one's in the right zone. Your first thoughts?
This one is.
Okay, now Jacqueline, of course, every time I see you, it's fantastic. How do you get every single move perfect? Years back, I remember asking you, the toughest move, you know, which one was it for an actress who's coming in here? You do tumkas better than so many of us when we try. We got too much fat around the waist, but I understand that.
That helps though.
Yeah, but you know, I'm just saying, you've just perfected all of it. You know, sometimes it doesn't seem alien at all to you anymore. So what's the secret?
I actually owe that to the amazing choreographers we have here, and also just the dancers that make us train and make us rehearse for hours. And Ritesh has seen me also. Ritesh has actually seen me in my first film where I couldn't even do a walk properly in a song. And
Aladdin.
I was in Aladdin, yeah.
No, I have to see this. You know, Jacqueline and me did Aladdin many years ago, and I have seen her struggle with Indian dance while we were doing the song, and just to see her dance in so many songs, and one of the finest dances India has. It's hats off to her hard work, and that's really
But
pretty
she's not the only one.
You're a very good dancer too.
Not about me.
Anuj sir, let's talk about the film.
There's also Katrina who's worked really hard.
Yeah, of course.
But how you have worked with Katrina, I have worked with Jacqueline, so I've seen her hard work.
No, at
You
that
have
point
seen
in
both
time,
the hard
London
works.
Dreams was coming, so I told her to wait
Oh.
and do London Dreams. She wanted to do Aladdin. And then from there, it took her 10 years for Kick.
4.
From Aladdin to 4, 5?
4, 5, not 10.
Chalo, thoda sa
You're making
over
me really old
exaggerate
right
kar
now.
diya. But that's not that bad, yeah? Not bad at all.